Alright guys, so today we are going to change out an RV shower. Here's how you do it. So there's a lot of different styles of RV showers. This is the corner shower. So first thing you're going to do, we're going to take this door system out. The way you do that, now I'm going to preface this by saying I've already taken all the screws out of everything and put everything back in place because I forgot to make a video. So the first thing you're going to do is take all the screws out. You've got screws along the wall there. You take those out. Generally there's a couple right here at the door. Same thing on the other side. Screws along the sides there. Then you have to cut all the sealant all the way around on both sides, and then you should be able to just lift it out. And once you get the shower doors out, looks like this. So at this point, take the screws out of here. This comes off. It'll just kind of be like this. You'll have to get your hands in there real tight, loosen the water lines. Before you do that, you definitely want to drain all the water out of the unit first. Open your low point drains. Disconnect that, take that off. Couple screws here holding the shower head thing in place. I already took those out. And then you're left with all this. First thing we're gonna do is remove the liner. If you're reusing the liner, you're going to want to be very gentle here. I am not reusing the liner, I'm replacing it, so I was not gentle. But you got all these rivets in here, kind of look like that. They're all broken already because I already took it out. But generally, if you cut along the side here to loosen the sealant, what you'll see is it's held in with double-sided tape even after you take those rivets out. So you're going to have to be very gentle and take your time as you pull it off the wall, or you will break this. You will break this. Now once you have the liner out, this should be what you have left. You're going to, usually there's the panel on here, take a screw out, this little panel will come off. Yours may be completely different. RV showers, they've got a bunch of different designs, but you're gonna reach under there and loosen the drain. Once the drain's loose, generally there'll be some screws around here. I've already taken them loose. Then you can take this out. All right, with this out of the way, you see what we're left with. This is what most RV showers look like underneath. You can see there was a crack in the shower pan somewhere. Oh, right there. That's why we're replacing all this. But anyway, so this is what it looks like under most of your RV showers, if anybody cares. All right, now let's put the new one in. Old, new, yeah. And as with any repair where you're replacing with aftermarket parts, it's just a little bit off. So what are we gonna do? What are we going to do? I know what we're gonna do. Pull this out. And we're gonna chop off just a little bit off of each one of these. And then we're gonna cross our fingers that the plumbing will still work in the same spot that it's in, and we don't have to do any adjustments. That's unlikely, but we'll see. We might have a little bit of flex there. All right, let's take this out. Chop the legs down. All right, and we cut off about this much on each leg, and let's see how it fits now. Out there, I think. There we go. Down on the floor now. We have to drill the hole for the drain and screw it into the wall, and it'll be ready for the wall liner. All right, let's do this. All right, I need both hands for that, but we got it. All right, and we got it tightened back down. Tighten back down there. And now we need to screw it in here and then bring the walls in. All right, so we've got it screwed in here. We got it screwed in around the outside. We got the drain back in. Let's get the walls. All right, we kind of got it set in here. What I'm gonna do is put the double-sided tape that I have on the back walls of this side, set that into the right place, and then bend this back enough, go around the back side here and mark where the water lines are supposed to cut through. Alright, I'm really bad at remembering to film as I'm doing this, but so I lined it up, made sure my water lines are going to be in the right place, cut out, make sure that I'm going to be able to fit the water lines in there. It doesn't have to be pretty because that's going to go over top of it. I have one rivet that I put in there. I'm going to put a few more rivets on this side, put the tape on here, put this back, and then put some more rivets on this side, and install the various little things that you need to hang the shower head. And then we're ready to put the doors back on. So let's get it in. All right, and we got the walls riveted in place. All right, and after you get the side pieces mounted back up, we'll put this door in. And then we're almost done, guys. All right, and we got it screwed in. I still got to seal the sides and stuff, but yeah, looking good. I still got to put this bracket back up there and reseal around the inside, but more or less, that's how you change out a shower.